If you ever wonder if your leads are playing the hard to get game, you're not alone. After generating hundreds of thousands of leads for myself and clients over the years, I've developed the TCF framework. The first part is timing. At what time of the day and in their lives are people giving you their information and becoming a lead? It may not be the right time of the day or within their life to take action, but that's okay because that's why we have the rest of the framework. So timing matters. C stands for context. And this is probably one of the most crucial parts of understanding how to do the third part of the formula. Where are they? How are they coming to you? Did they just walk by and just throw their information at you? Were they a warm referral? Did they give you their information because they were looking for something really specific? They thought you could solve this very specific problem for them. So, what is the context? Also, how many micro actions and micro commitments did you put them through before they gave you their information? And F stands for follow up. My experience, 90% of the people really suck at follow up. And if you're good at follow up and have powerful follow up, then the leads that you get will turn into clients and customers. But again, the timing may not be right, or the context may not be the best context for them when they first give you their information. So inside of your follow up, you just have to do the same framework again. TCF over and over again in the follow up. Take a look at the timing, give them better context, and then follow up with them again. So, this way,